My wife today teaches me how to cook burger. Burger has arrived in Mombasa, or burger has arrived in the village. Let's put that aside. Hey, good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening. It depends on the place you're watching me from. This day today is a super special video, or also it's a super special day. Over here it's kind of like a lazy day, but not a lazy day. Let's say happy new month to each and every person. We say each and every single day is a beautiful day that the Lord has made it, and we give thanks for those who are still alive, and for those who wake up and we say, oh man, it's a nice day. And of course we can't take it for granted. And also, guys, I thank you all for those who come back to watch my videos. Yesterday it was fire late and hot, but we were like it was just a by the way. But also I just wanted to hear some what we call like some thoughts up and down, what's happening, is it right to do this. And thank you so much for those who reached out by commenting and also giving us a very nice advices. I thank you for that, and I never take you for granted. It's a blessed day. It's want to rain, and this is what you see between a difference between somebody being in the city and another one being in the village. You might be living with somebody at the same apartment or the same land, but still he or she has different thoughts. Why? Thought number one, there's a guy living in the city and he has a lot of goats over there. There's another guy living in the city and having a place for kennels for dogs. There's a guy living in the city and they work over here. So let's put that aside. It's raining, as you see. It's not raining, it's not really raining, but it's drizzling. So let's put that aside, guys. Remember, we're on the road to 30,000 subscribers. Ensure you subscribe, and today, if you subscribe today, if you tell another friend that today, a friend of mine, yes, do this, help me click this and subscribe to this great man, Claude Joseph, over here. Man, I don't take you for granted. I really appreciate that, and by doing so, you have really helped me very, very, very much to just keep these numbers. Hey babe.
Hi.
You are popping. Why you between my interview passing?
Why am
I hate
passing?
you.
You can never hate me.
What do you do?
You can, you can never hate me. Why are you jumping?
But you are spanking me. You should be spanked, not me.
Anyway, guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from whichever place you're watching me from. My name is Minhawi.
My name is Claude Joseph.
Yeah,
and we are at the Wasijes family.
We are with the Wasijes family.
And today we are here around. Why are you having this?
Yeah, I'm trying to. There's some flour that poured down. I want to kind of just remove it and clean it. We are trying to fix a burger today, but we don't have all the ingredients that we need. I think we didn't even think of them.
I never thought of them, but
yeah, but we'll use what we have.
Yes.
For now, it's only very few that we have, but we'll work with that like that.
My wife teaches me how to cook burger.
It's not even. It's easy. It's like I don't even need to teach you.
I don't know how to make burger. Burger. Yes, the other day you saw her eating burger and was like, how can you do this? So let's wait and see what's happening.
Yeah.
And please subscribe to her YouTube channel at Minhawi. Soon we're going to have our channel Wasijes family.
Yeah,
Wasijes. And hope you'll be also subscribing to it, and also you'll be enjoying some behind the scenes that we can't put it on Claude Joseph and Minhawi and also Melo. So it should be just a combination of the family. And of course, let's see what's happening. You know, sometimes a village boy like me, have I even tried burger?
You must have.
I haven't tried burger.
You must have.
So burger arrived in Mombasa, so the village boy tries burger for the first time. Let's see, and that burger is homemade burger. Subscribe, like, share, and leave us a comment. And of course, I love you all, guys, and I love you. Ooh, and I love you. Hey, and I know you love me also. See you, and let's work. All right. Oh, did you buy this or you just made them here?
Well, I say just cut them here.
Okay.
So I like when I'm making them, I like cutting my onions round.
Okay.
My tomatoes round like this. Yeah. So this one, to make these rings.
Oh, the rings.
Yeah. So if I had some cucumber or some gourgets,
what are gourgets?
And also how do you call it? Lettuce. And
oh, the one that look like skuma wiki.
Yeah.
But we have sukuma wiki inside here.
No, it's spoiled actually.
Oh.
It's not good.
Oh, sorry.
And we can't even use sukuma wiki. Remember what Gabi did with the sukuma wiki?
I was in Malaysia.
Yeah. So we don't want to use sukuma wiki today.
All right.
So we want to use only this.
Yeah.
And see what comes. But either way, it's just for fun. And also, we have some butter bread.
Guys, welcome to Faith's Corner. I think one day when I'll just build my house, I'll just name it Welcome to Faith's Corner, because
we have some burger bread here.
Oh, those are burger breads. So I thought me, hey, this in the village we call them scones. Yeah, they are called scones.
Yeah, they're scones and they're also burger bread.
They're called burger bread.
Or buns.
Or buns.
Yeah.
So this one, this one we used to buy this one, but those one in the village they look different. We use this.
The real burger bread.
We cook with strong tea in the morning. You can consume this all. Like me, I can consume this all by myself. With strong tea, one jug. What is this?
You're done. So we have one that has some, the one that has some sprinkles of seeds. You see the other burger?
Yeah.
What do you call it? Some of those small seeds. We have a name for the I've forgotten.
Guys,
so
comment down below.
Comment
down below
and
what they call
also, we have this brand of beef burger.
Beef burger.
Yeah, today we're like, okay.
So this one, is it minced meat?
It's, of course, beef. This is minced. It's minced, but then it's put together. Already, so you don't have to do the whole process. But if you want to, if you have all the resources or you have the blenders or those grinders, you can grate your meat like the one we bought.
You mince it,
and then you mince it, then you mix it until now it's I don't know what they use to put it together, and then now you can always make your own.
At the moment you touch it this way, and then you do it like this, like you're playing with mud, and then you put it inside.
Me, I feel like that's a lot of work for me, so I'd rather buy these ones because they're ready. Then you just come cook.
Guys, my wife cooks burger for me. Is burger made or cooked?
Either.
Comment down below, guys. With me, I'm this guy. Melo, is burger cooked or made? Just come. Melo. Sometimes is the sharp boy in the house. Do people cook burger or they make burger?
She's asking me a question.
I think they make.
They make burger.
Yes.
Comment down below, guys. Do people cook burger or
make burger? So,
prepare burger. Let's take a thumbnail.
Thumbnail.
Or Melo prepares. Tomorrow you preparing food. So let's see, guys. All right? Okay. Oh no. So this is how they look from inside.
Yeah. So these are already prepared. We have like 4 of them, 2 of them here, and 2. So the total number is 4. So this can serve 4 people. So, and if you are a foodie, you can have two, and then you save for 2 for the next day. But then because we are 3, so we're going to make all of them.
You're killing this village boy. Like me, I'm used to heavy foods. I'm used to eat ugali.
Well,
like this one, we can the way it is this way, we can take it and then we put to the jiko, or we can roast it. It become nyama choma.
Yeah,
with the ugali.
but then this one here is just not like food. It's just like a snack. You can just enjoy it and just as you wait to cook. Maybe if you didn't want to have like heavy meal.
So it's light meal.
Yeah, it's like you just eat it and then kaput. That's it.
Alright, guys, let's wait and see how she's preparing this. And of course, she's my lovely wife, Minhawi, over here, and let's check it on what she's preparing. For the first time, let me try this burger, and you'll be seeing how it is.
We need to add more.
Okay. Alright, guys, let's wait and see. Will I survive in Mombasa with this burger? I need to run for ugali and nyama choma and some greens. I'm tired of eating this all, but it's okay. It's my wife who prepared it. Maybe it's the craving for the kid. Let's wait and see. Alright. I think, but this is now cooking.
Of course, you have to cook it. You can't eat raw.
Anything that involves fire, it's cooking.
Yeah.
And anything that involves no fire, it's making.
I don't know, honestly. I cannot tell.
Hey, guys, this thing. Anything that involves fire is cooking. And anything that maybe you bake, you do this, it's making. Maybe something like that. But I don't know. I'm not good at English. Also, I'm just learning. I'm just a village boy. Please help me with this and let's check out what's happening.
Can you kindly throw this for me?
Okay, I will. Why not? Send me anywhere. I'll go. Anywhere. I'll just go. Even if you say, go back in the village and bring me some fruits, I'll run.
Hey, you didn't bring me
I was in a hurry.
No, the other fruit that you told me, you promised that the one that I like.
Sour saps?
Sour sap.
The sour saps are not good for pregnant women.
Who said?
Dr. Claude Joseph, CJ, the family.
So just say you forgot to bring
No, I
it.
not forgot. Like, sauerkraut are not good for pregnant women.
Okay.
Yeah, it's so sour that it can even terminate. And me, I fear. I googled.
You Google.
Yeah. So let's see. Oh, so that way?
Yeah, just let that way to cook.
Okay. Okay. And how we prepares burger for the first time? Aye.
So because the pan is big, you can have like all of them.
All
here.
of them?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, slowly. Why don't you just pop her? Don't be so...
No, I don't want to burn myself, my friend.
Okay, let me help you. Can I be of help?
Yes, please.
Okay, hold this. There sometimes. You just do this way. Easy. You just do this way. You just do this way. When it's up,
There's a nail on there.
yeah.
Don't throw.
And then you do this.
You see? Oh, you're almost
I'm doing
burning.
that way. I was not almost burning. Like this one, you put it from this. Then you do this. And then you do this.
Slowly. Yeah. We can release the fire.
Yeah, release the fire.
Yeah.
So, wait.
So let it cook.
It's okay.
Bring the other spoon. Yeah, because it sticks, huh?
Oh.
So you just turn it bit by bit until it's all cooked.
So guys, I'm helping my wife. Please, sorry, don't come for me.
No,
I'm
it's
just learning. That she was surprising you, but now you decided. But no, I'm just helping.
oh, it's okay to help me. I don't like the fire to jump on me, the
No,
oil
one
to jump
thing
on
is-
me.
I love cooking also. So sometimes when I'm seeing a small error, I'm like, why did she do this? So let's try this burger.
So normally this cooks very fast, but not. We'll have to wait a bit. Huh?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
But now you're
On
making
low,
me,
on low heat.
you're making me so westernized and thinking.
No, not. No, it's once in a while.
You know, now I haven't been used to this. I'm not used to this, but I'm complaining at the same time. I know I'm going to eat, so that's the biggest problem. Yeah? Making burger, burger, boogie, boogie. Hey.
Yeah. So we.
Which is the famous song that we used to sing? You know, like now it's Christmas time. My mom could have already bought us clothes. Hide them somewhere. She brings the clothes and then she feeds you like, does this coat fit you here? Oh, I will just bought it for a neighbor, for the neighbor kid. So by that time, the moment they see it fits you, they take it. You see it on the day that is Christmas, and after Christmas you go, you play with it. The following day, it's being washed, kept for fast next year. In Africa, Mother Africa. I really love my hometown. So, again?
Yeah, you turn them until they are cooked. Cause me like
So
them.
what are these called? What
I
are
like
these?
them well cooked. Sir.
So, how
We
are
have
they?
these are beef burgers.
Beef burgers. But
Yeah,
they
we have
look
chicken
big.
burgers.
But they look big. They look big
Compared
to the ones that they are sold
Serving
in,
there,
serving
yeah.
in the
Because now-
hotels.
yeah.
Sometimes I
You
see.
see now, for
They're
example,
just- they're just-
this one goes for 300 and something, 70 something, and then you go to this you go to the restaurant, they sell one of these at 1,100.
No, I'm so surprised that the ones that are being sold in the restaurants, they are so
Thin, yeah, they slice them.
So this one should be sliced.
They reduce them,
Twice.
yeah.
Twice or
And then,
twice, yeah.
imagine one of these goes for over 1,000 plus. You remember the one I ate yesterday?
Oh,
Was
that one-
1,100.
That's why I felt like we can prepare on our own.
Yeah, so it's normally cheaper to cook at home.
But now the problem is
Because from this one, you can make over 5,000 Kenyan shillings
the problem is
as a business person.
the problem is the one cooked at home doesn't have the taste. You feel like even if you prepare it more tastier than the one in the
No,
the
you can
restaurant,
make it.
even if you prepare it more tastier, you feel like the one cooked
No,
by
no,
another
no.
person is more good.
No.
Have you ever felt like you're cooking food
Yeah.
at your place?
And
Then
it's,
the moment you go to the neighbor who has cooked the same food, then you tend to eat more food in a neighbor's place,
Than
the
your own.
same food than your
Yeah,
own.
yeah, that happens a lot.
So that's also like this. We wanna cook it, but the moment we pass by,
Don't talk like that. It will make you not have appetite to eat it.
it's my first time trying burger, so of course I'm salivating. I'm now
Does it smell good already?
Yeah, I'm tempted to cook ugali here. Or should I?
Oh, really?
Yeah, because this now it's meat. If it's meat, then I'm tempted to cook ugali. Why is this?
No,
Okay.
wait, let me add some.
No, it's okay. I know the problem is. All right, guys, let's see. All right, I welcome you all. Don't salivate with me. Just I welcome you. Okay. All right. My question is this supposed to be tender or crunchy or how?
I think it's supposed to be crunchy, but
Crunchy?
it's crunchy already. Like it can be crunchy up to the inside.
Okay.
Yeah, so when it's outside like that, it's just okay.
Okay, like
It's ready,
this?
yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So they're ready, okay?
They're ready, yeah. So what you need to do is like, can you get the other knife?
So can I do what we call? Can I give? This is bread knife or
Yeah,
what?
that one.
Okay. Okay.
And can I get a plate and serve it on top?
Okay.
Yeah.
That way,
Yes.
and then this way.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. So we can just open a fast food sometime
Yeah, we can.
in the village. But in the village, I don't know if there's anyone who will eat this.
Yeah, we have the Somalis from our region. They love these things. Now you see the meat show here.
Oh, okay.
So you just
So
slice
you
it.
slice it twice.
Yeah, slice it twice.
Oh no. Oh no.
Does this one taste better?
Sorry?
Tomato?
Yeah, tomato, yes.
You want also tomato?
But we don't have now, we don't have other ingredients that I said before. So I think that's ready. That I said before.
So should I put them there or?
Wait, just put it on another. Wait first, please.
Okay.
So we have to organize.
Because I don't want
Yeah,
them
just
to
put
be.
those here.
Help me once I get there because they'll be oozing out oil.
Yeah, so you.
I have to put this
So
in
you
here.
have to dry them also. with
Melo,
some-
come here. You say something. So this way. I don't know if I'm doing it right. Or,
Yes, more of it.
I don't know if I'm doing it
And then
right.
because they're oily.
We press them.
Yeah, we press them to remove the extra oil.
Okay. Hey, come on, man. So
Stop.
Yeah, put it here.
okay.
So Milo, you can help by removing extra oil. Put it there.
Do you know how it's supposed to be removed? Yeah, that way.
No.
Don't beat them. Just press.
Just press. Made like this.
This way.
I have done it.
You see? And then you just press. Yeah. Take the precaution. Alright, guys. And always after cooking, make sure your jiko is clean. Okay.
Turn and remove the extra.
Let's wait and see how babe is doing. Okay. Alright.
Yeah.
So you are arranging them.
I'm arranging them in that nature. Now, since we don't have other more ingredients, I will just maybe
Can I run and buy skuma wiki?
No, lettuce.
Or we buy cabbage, right?
Lettuce, but then now
The lettuce are not around.
it's too late. We
Oh.
can't. We
Oh.
Cabbage lettuce.
So I pick
Yeah.
this.
Yeah.
Cabbage lettuce.
Yeah.
But it seems Melo knows these things.
Yeah, he knows because we used to cook with him.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
So
I've never cooked.
yeah, we have in Gom.
Maybe I didn't see.
Maybe you're small. You're small.
Melo says that. You never saw that.
You are maybe you are small.
You are young, very young, like a dog.
Yeah.
All
So our burger is ready.
So
But
this
we
one is
have
ready.
we have sauces there. You can bring the sauces.
Yo, the burger
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 is ready.
burger is ready. So you
And
can
that
add
one,
this
what
and
did
this.
you play that?
Yeah, I think I've added. We added some.
Mhm.
We didn't have a lot of mayo and all that, but next time we'll try and
Don't follow me. Don't follow me. And we eat burger. My wife prepared burger for us, and yeah. So I can consume this all mine.
No, that is yours.
Okay, Melo, this is yours. Just come and hold this one that doesn't have sauce. This one. Yeah. Hold it, we see how you're eating. Wife, come. Wow.
I think you need some drinks.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Hold it this way, Melo. You have to hold it this way, I think.
What do you want, Coke or juice?
I think that one will be better.
I think Coke goes better.
Okay. So, hey, which is mine and
Look
which
at
is...
how Melo is eating. That's how you hold it.
How?
Remove your hand. That's how you.
Yeah.
That's how you hold it.
So this is the burger. Sometimes.
Yummy.
What do you say?
It's yummy. Oh my God.
Is it yummy?
Very yummy.
How? So, but instead of putting this, I can open it.
You can
Open it.
open the burger? No, you eat like that.
Ah.
You cannot remove it, and that's how you do it. That's not the fun. Stop.
You're fighting to eat. Why fight to eat?
Let me take my plate.
Why fighting
And
to
then
eat?
the soda.
Oh.
That's if you like soda. I don't like soda so much. What do you think?
But now this one, if you'll be eating, you just apply. Maybe you paint yourself with maybe anything that is inside.
What do you mean?
Like this one, if I'm eating, I find myself pointing my.
But it's sweet. You like it? I know when you like something.
Homemade
I know when you
burger.
like something. It's nice. Homemade. It's nice.
What is it? I think I should be eating burger every day.
Yes, please, Melo. Thank you.
This one?
No, that's just let that be.
My wife prepared burger, guys. Look how I'm eating it. Way.
You're tired of ugali and sukuma wiki every day.
But I
guys.
can't eat this and sleep. That will be a lie.
Of course, but if you eat like 2 of them or 3 of them,
That will be a lie.
you have to add ugali.
Ugali. Alright. Let's say it and see, guys. I never complain for something that you don't know. I was complaining it's bad. But, no.
It's nice, huh?
The problem with burger, it forces you to bite big. And the moment you bite big, you have to have something like this.
Just have it to wipe your mouth with.
I'll grow big. Prepare another one for me. How much? How much?
1,500
Gonna see this.
Kenyan shillings.
Aya. Well, yeah.
Yo.
Guys, it's sweet. My stomach. But I really love. So she's preparing another one.
Yeah, we didn't have enough. Next time we'll get enough ingredients, and then we now just make it like we eat.
Okay.
So these ones normally, when you don't want to do a lot of cooking in the house, you don't want a lot of sukuma wiki.
Everybody is full. Even Melo here.
You don't want a lot of sukuma wiki on every day eating ugali, just once in a while. Just do. It's easier to make, you know.
Yeah. Very easy. Melo. What do you think?
Good.
Do you like it?
He is full. Eating burger.
Melo, you've been caught.
Not even. Hiya. You terminate me. Yeah, guys. So the burger was nice for me, and things was great. And
Did you enjoy it?
I think every day you'll be eating, right, Melo?
Hey.
You'll be eating everyday burger. Huh? Huh?
You eat every day.
Every single day. I think you'll be eating burger.
Yes.
In the morning and evening.
Hey, you guys will grow fat. I want to be doing. I don't want fat people like me.
No, the need to run it
Here
to make
today.
you fat.
I want
The
no.
bun.
There?
The bun is the one that is making us fat.
So we should avoid that.
No, if you eat a lot of that every day, it's not healthy.
Okay
Maybe.
then.
So it's just once in a while.
while.
Yeah, when we are tired of cooking
Guys.
and doing something, so you can always have that and eat.
Mm-hmm.
Just to avoid ugali and sukuma wiki and
Every single
cabbage.
day.
Yeah.
But guys, let's know at the comment section, was the burger. Me, I enjoyed the burger. It was very nice. But let
And
me know at the
actually,
comment
the one
section.
Who, it was the one who was like, no, I don't want.
I don't want, because I haven't tried it. That, you know, I remember once tried it long time ago when
It wasn't good.
we were in Dubai and a friend of us surprised us with burger.
Diabetes.
Even pizza, I ate pizza the first time in Dubai. So my burger and pizza was international, so I never knew how it is being prepared. So I thought maybe burger
It's a long process.
is Arabic food. So I thought that. So my first time, even I never enjoyed it that much. I was like, I ate slowly, and then the following day we were eating pizza. So I was like, maybe pizza and this is for the Arab people.
No, I think we need to start learning to do even pizza when we get like the electric oven in future. We'll try
We tried to
make
make it.
these things. Because when
Anyway.
baby comes, she used to know everything, how to cook, how to do things. We prepare her, start preparing her.
The
on how
dad
to
has
cook.
hair, she'll be touching.
Yes, you know. And another big baby here.
Anyway,
But this one knows
guys.
how to cook.
Melo.
Yeah.
Okay. Melo, introduce yourself and say your channel. Yeah.
So introduce yourself.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello guys. Welcome guys back to another video. Please make sure subscribe, like and share, and to my channel. Now thank you.
Thank you. Alright guys, please subscribe to Melo and also to my wife here and Howie. And also to Claude Joseph Road to 30,000 subscribers. I really appreciate your love and support.
Yep.
See you on
The
the
next
next video with another big burger. Now we'll cook tortillas.
Tortillas. I don't know how to do that. now.
Alright guys.
Okay.
Bye. Or which one? Pasta. Yes. Next video, pasta.
Mushroom pasta.
We need pasta.
Pasta.
Alright guys. Bye. We love
Bye.
you.